MobMan is an exciting new project funded by the European Commission through the Erasmus programme. This is the interface for the MobMan Mobility Management Platform. Open the MobMan platform software and use your username and password to log in. You are now on the dashboard. Let's have a look around. On the left-hand side of the screen, you can see 6 modules. If you click on the user module, you can change your settings. You can also create a user group. The Data Tables module gives access to a list of tabs. For example, you can see the Accommodation tab. The next module is for Common Lists, which gives access to more tabs. Below is the Financial Management module, which accesses the Funding tab. These 3 modules are explained in more detail in the Series 2 training video tutorials. Below this is the Document Generator module. The Template Management tab allows you to use preloaded templates. You can also create personalized templates. This is explained in more detail in the Series 3 training video tutorials. Finally, there is the Report Generator module. The Template Management tab allows you once again to use preloaded templates. Here you can also create queries to produce personalized reports. This is explained in more detail in the Series 4 training video tutorials. To hide the list of modules on the left-hand side of the screen, just click on the icon, 3 short horizontal lines. To come back to the dashboard, simply click on the name of your organization in the top left-hand corner of the screen. Or simply click on Home. The top row of the dashboard has 5 boxes showing the latest information on trainees, projects, prospects, accommodation, and sending organizations. Clicking on one of these 5 boxes is a shortcut to the relevant table. The dashboard also shows the last trainee changes to give you direct access by clicking on the Edit button in the Action column. To change the language of the platform, click on the downward arrow to the right of the flag at the top of the screen and select the language you want. The downward arrow to the right of your username provides direct access to more settings, such as your profile, password, and parameters. To log out, click on the downward arrow to the right of your username and select Log Out. When you've watched this video, you can have a go at an interactive learning activity using a fictional trainee and host company. This will help you to get a fun, hands-on experience of the platform. When you've finished, you can then check your results with answers prepared by the MobMan team. If you have any additional questions, you can refer to the FAQ user guide and download an interactive PDF version from the platform or the website. You can also contact the MobMan partners by email via the forum section of the website. This is like asking a trainer questions when you need help. To use the platform, you just need to go to the MobMan website, register, and then download the software. Simple. All individuals and organizations that use the MobMan platform need to set up a clear policy for data protection in line with the requirements of GDPR. Good luck and have fun playing with the MobMan platform.